be a short video. And yeah, yesterday was not a bad day. Just wanted to spread the love and show you guys what I got going on. Yeah, I'm here in the office or in the school or whatever. And yeah, yesterday I went out in the streets and into the neighborhoods down the street from where I live. And basically, I made $1,500 yesterday flipping medical commodities. It's real simple business, right? Take a look at what I did. Okay, so if you guys take a look at this right here, you can see these are test strips. These are some more test strips. All right, and then we got some pens right there. So you guys see all that, and you guys can see that this stuff is real. So how long did all this take me? It literally took me about I don't know, driving from one place to another. It literally took me about 4 hours or whatnot to go get the different boxes from the different people. So stuff is real, guys. Yeah, I made $1,500, and out of that, I think my profit's gonna be in the neighborhood of about I'd say about 1,100 to 1,200, somewhere in there. So not bad. No, not a bad day at all. All right. So there are days like that where you know making the thousands, and I just showed you guys how to do it. So guys, I keep trying to tell you guys, register for the course. This is a business that is untapped. It is completely untapped. All you're doing is driving from one place to another, picking up boxes when they call you. They're going to call you, not the other way around. They're going to call you, not the other way around. Right? So this stuff is real. This stuff is legit. Right? All you're doing is picking up boxes. It's real simple. Real simple. Okay? So yeah, if you want to learn how to make $1,500 in about 4 hours or 6 hours, then just click on the link below. Go to boxflippers.com, and you see everything that you need to know. Right, you'll learn everything you need to know and how I do it and everything. Now, guys, this is something that you have to do consistently. Right, you got to be consistent. The one thing that I've learned, like for you guys taking my IT courses and for you guys who are doing the box flippers course, right? So those are the two courses that I promote, that I created, right? So the one thing that I've noticed is a lot of people give up really easily, especially in the beginning. But one thing that you have to understand, that great things start from little beginnings, right? So whether you're doing the IT course or whether you're doing the box flippers, right? You got to keep going. You got to keep going. Got to keep going. Anything that you put your hand to do, whether it's IT, whether it's this box flippers course, guys, you've got to give this thing a year, right? You have my complete permission to quit if after a year and you're doing everything you're supposed to do after a year this doesn't work out, right? But the chances are it's going to work out, right? Especially, with everything that I do, right? I've vetted it because I've done it, right? I've been there and I've done there. So whether it's the Oracle, whether it's AWS, whatever it is, I've been there, done that. I know how the system works. I know how the 9 to 5 job works. I know how the pay system works. I know how the job actually is, how it actually is on the job. I know all these things. You see what I'm saying? So, guys, so this is why I'm sharing you the experience, and I'm telling you, and I teach you guys exactly how to get it done. Now, when it comes to this box flippers course, I've been out there in the streets, right? Like I've just came back today, right? Made another $150 so far today. Then by the end of the day, I think, based on everything, I think I'm gonna make, I don't know, somewhere around 300, between 300 and, I think I'm gonna make between 300 and $400, somewhere in there today, right? Today is a little slow day, right? Easy, three, $400, right? So, so that would basically mean like over a complete 24-hour period, I would have made close to $2,000, about $1,900, right? Not a big deal, right? I'm just going there, picking up boxes, and I'm probably going to ship off all the boxes tomorrow and get paid same day. Don't know what to tell you guys, but it's a simple business. It's a really simple business, and everybody wins. Everybody wins. I don't know why you guys are hesitating to join the course. Just join the course and learn something new, right? Wisdom is the principal thing. Therefore, get wisdom, and in all you're getting, get understanding. That's what the Bible says, right? So I'm sharing you guys the wisdom that I have, right? If you guys want to make $200,000 a year, go to my course. Oh, and by the way, Guys, I'm also teaching AWS now. I'm teaching AWS as well, and that's going to be part of the new course that I'm offering. So I'm offering a combo course, AWS and the Oracle course, right? That combo thing, right? So I'm doing that now. So you guys can go on the website and take a look at that. But as far as the box flippers, it's the same thing, guys. Just click on the link, learn something, and guys, dude, make it 300. Okay, I will have to say this. I've never found an easier business to make $400 in a day. Never. $500 in a day. Never. You're literally just driving to somebody's home. They're gonna give you some boxes, and you're done. This is boxes that they bought themselves. That they figured out that, you know what, I don't need these boxes. I'm gonna throw it away. So instead of throwing it away, they give it to you. Make a profit. Simple. I don't know what else to say. Like, this thing is easy. Like, in 24 hours, I'm gonna make $2,000. My profit is probably gonna be probably 15. It's easy. This stuff is easy, guys. So, you know, all big things start small. That's the one thing I'll need you guys to remember. All big things, they start small. They all start small, but you gotta, it's like guys, if you look at all the big guys, if you look at all the big guys on online right now, they didn't just get there overnight. And I really got to stress that part to you guys. Like, it's not an overnight thing. But I tell you, one thing I'm gonna tell you is this: when stuff starts flowing, like when you're pushing like a snowball down the hill, when you're pushing a snowball down the hill, and initially it's small, right? But when that stuff starts gaining momentum, and it's a big snowball, I mean, that's a snowball effect. Just things just start happening for you, right? But you can't quit. You cannot quit on your journey to wherever you're trying to get to. You cannot quit. Don't quit. If you don't quit, you will succeed. But if you quit, nothing's ever gonna happen. Where have you heard that story before? Over and over and over and over and over again. One year leads to another year, leads to another year, leads to another year. At some point, you got to just say, look, this is what I'm doing. I'll once I accomplish the goal, I move on to the next. But guys, you got to accomplish the goal first, right? You can't keep doing this spinning the wheel stuff, right? Can't keep doing it. It's little by little. I remember when I first started the box flipper thing. Yeah, I'm still in IT or whatnot. I still teach IT and whatnot. But I'm just trying to show you what is the purpose of me doing this box flipper thing. I'm gonna tell you right now. The whole purpose of me doing this is I don't want to hear any excuses from anybody in, I don't care where you live. You can start from nothing and be making $2,000 a day in less than a year. It's possible. All things are possible if you believe, right? You gotta believe first, though. You gotta believe that all things are possible if you believe, and you don't quit. You can't quit, guys. Do not quit. For those of you guys who are taking my IT courses, right? Don't quit. It might be hard. You might have to watch these videos. Trust me, I've been there. You got to watch these videos over and over and over again to get it. To get it, you got to do these homework assignments. Your back is hurting. Oh, poor baby. Oh, your back is hurting. Child, please. I've been there. Your back is hurting. You put in the commands. It's not working. Look, we've been there, right? You just got to pay the price that I paid. I paid the price. You got to pay the price, right? Don't be a punk. Don't be a punk. I pay the price. You got to pay the price. Look, guys, look at this right here. Y'all see this right here? Right? Because of COVID, all this stuff isn't full, but now everything is online. But check this out. At one point, all this stuff was full. If not for COVID, all this stuff will be full, right? But now, obviously, we've transitioned to everything online because that's the way the world is going and all that good stuff. But the point I'm trying to make is this: how did I go from somebody who's learning Oracle to this, to teaching all these people right here? How? Right? Because I didn't quit. Right? That's the whole point. Don't quit. If you don't quit, you will succeed. That's the point I'm trying to make. Never, ever, ever quit. Right? Look, I know guys right now that I've trained personally that are making $350,000 right now, living in mansions. I'm not living in a mansion, but they are. You see what I'm saying? I know guys right now. If you guys go in my videos and just Google and just search for Uche got a job, When he first got a job, he got a job for paying him $75,000. Now he just called me. They doubled the salary. Now he's making $145,000 as a senior DBA. Go figure. You see what I'm saying? So, you know, but he didn't quit. He followed through, right? And I use the same concepts for this box flipper thing, right, guys? Look at this. How many boxes is this? This is what? Look at this. This ain't nothing, right? The same concept. Never quit. Never quit. Never quit. Right? To be honest, I'm just trying to see whether or not I can do this box flippers thing till I'm making like I don't know like $10,000 a week. See what happens. But I'm just gonna keep pushing. I'm just gonna keep pushing, right? The Oracle thing, I just kept pushing. I kept pushing, and before you know it, things happen, right? The big guy upstairs, he's watching everybody that's doing their work. If you're doing good work out there, and if you focus on what you're trying to do, there's something about focus, guys. There's something about focus and constantly and being consistent about something. When you're focused and you're consistent about something and you believe in something, it's like the big guy upstairs said, "Okay, he's serious. I'm gonna give it to him." There's something about that, like, all right, like he's just stubborn. That's why if you guys, I don't know if you guys read the Bible or whatnot, but if you read the Bible, if you just have like a Bible concordian and look for the word diligent, it's all over the Bible. You got to be diligent, 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 right? So you got to be diligent about everything you're doing, right? So, guys, click on the link down below. Please hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with your friends. And yeah, if you guys want to get into IT, go on newititsolutions.com. The link is below. And if you guys want to get into the box flippers course, the link is down below as well. Right. So yeah, a $2,000 day pretty much, and who knows what tomorrow is going to bring. Right. Might be a $700 day. Easy money, just easy money, right? So, yeah, guys, I paid a price, and this is why I'm here. Not saying that I'm anything, but at least I know that I'm on the right track, and just like you guys are on the right track, right? But everything starts small. Don't be discouraged. Keep pushing. Stay focused. 2022 has started. We cannot go back. We got to move forward. We got to move forward. And the only way that we're going to accomplish our dreams is to stay the course. Just stay the course. Do the work. Feel the pain. Go through all the ups and downs. Go through it. Go through your interviews on the job. Go through all that. You know what I'm saying? Those of you in the box flippers course, yeah, you got to advertise the way I teach you. You got to go meet these guys. You got to go through all that. And before you know it, things happen. All right, guys. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.